Good morning, my lovely grade 3 students. I hope that you are enjoying my sessions and you are in a good health. In this session, we are going to make a revision for the lessons that we have studied about in order to be ready for the exam or the small quiz that we are going to do next week. Our first lesson was about a green plant. We are going to remember together the parts of a green plant. The four main parts of a green plant are flower, stem, leaf, and roots. At the end of roots, we have many root hairs. Now let's evaluate myself together. Let's solve or evaluate myself together. Here we are going to give it a title, this document. This is a green plant. This plant is a green plant because it has green leaves. Which part of the plant is embedded in the soil? We can say that the roots are embedded in the soil. Which part carries the leaves and the flowers? This part, which is the stem. And which part will change into fruits? The flower is the part that will change into fruits. Our second lesson was about the forest. As we said, the forest was the first natural habitat that we have studied about. It's a place where plants and animals can live. If we observe this document, we can see a forest. So its title is Forest. We can list here 3 animals like rabbit, deer, and bird, and 2 plants like grass and trees. The forest is a natural, for example, or artificial habitat. We can say that it's a natural habitat. Natural يعني مكان طبيعي موجود بالطبيعة مش الإنسان صنعه. Artificial هو شيء مصنوع يعني من صنع الإنسان. Okay, like the pool for example. In a forest we see plants and animals, and in the forest we can see many plants and animals, not like the desert, which is a habitat that contains a few plants and animals. Okay? The second natural habitat that we have studied about was the pond. The pond is a natural habitat also, not artificial habitat. It contains plants, animals, and also fresh water. Okay? This document shows a pond. Here, do you think there are living things in a pond? Of course, yes, there are living things in the pond. There are plants and animals. Okay, let's go deeper into the pond by noticing this document. We can list here 3 living things found in this document: plants, frog, and duck. We can say that in a pond we find water, plants, and animals. Finally, I want you to watch this video carefully, please, and pay attention to all the information that we have remembered together now. In the next session, we are going to complete our revision in order to be ready for the exam. Okay?